Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making stewed chicken. You will need 3 pounds of chicken, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 scallions, 1 medium onion, 1/2 bell pepper, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 14.5 ounce can of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of browning, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. Make sure your chicken has been thoroughly washed and dried. Season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now add the brown sugar and browning. Add the scallions and garlic, mix until well coated, then set the chicken aside until later. Add the oil to the pot and bring to a medium heat. Now fry the chicken for 8 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pot, then set them aside. Remove 2/3 of the oil from the pan. Now saute the onions, bell pepper, and tomatoes for 3 minutes. Add the chicken broth and water, then bring to a light boil. Add the hot sauce, ketchup, and thyme, then mix well. Return the chicken to the pot, then cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, season with the remaining salt and pepper, then cover and continue cooking for an additional 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and allow it to continue to cook until your liquid has reduced by 2/3. Once your liquid has reduced, turn off the heat, then your chicken is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab